Alright, tonight is a night vlog. Right now I'm on Mandela Avenue, guys. I'm going to I have 2 barbecue tickets, but I forgot about them, so my friend reminded me about it, so I'm going to collect my barbecue. Probably just slime a little bit. Yeah, but my barbecue, I'm just slime like 20 minutes and then leave, because Aiden just dropped to sleep, so I can't stay out too long. Can I turn this corner here? I haven't gone through these streets in such a long time. Is that road empty there? I'm not even sure. Alright, let me use another road because I'm familiar with there. These roads are so dark. It's very bumpy too, guys. I don't know going out with this tripod. Keep going down all the time. God, this road is so terrible, guys. So terrible. This is right by the Penitence police station. Shut up. God, these roads need some more lights, man. Jesus Christ. Need some more lights. You gotta hurry and fix this road, man. It's so bumpy. Okay. So right now, guys, I'm driving on the front road. Yeah, this is the front road here. Even the front road bad as well. What the hell? All these roads need to do, guys. Oh my gosh, here are holes and holes. Ooh. And holes are here. Just go easy because I don't want to splash up on these people here. Look at the water. Yeah, but this is the front road, guys. You guys can see properly. So I'm gonna just alright, guys, so when I reach off the front road, I'll come back. I'll probably time lapse it now. Alright, guys, so I'm now turn on to the Cemetery Road. Yeah, the Cemetery Road. Here. I'll go now. This tripod, man. Going too heavy for the tripod or something. I don't remember the corner where I have to turn. I think it's this corner. I'm not even sure. But I think it's this corner here. Let me try this corner here. Yeah, I think it's this corner. Let's see if it's not this one. We gotta go down the other one. Yeah. I only came here like one time, and then like 2 years ago, and they had a barbecue. But I don't remember. Oh my gosh, what the hell did I do now? That's a dead end there. Let me just turn, reverse, and go to the street and see if it has the street there. Because I don't remember, guys. I just don't remember. But let's turn and see if it has a street there, or if it's a dead end. I don't know. Wait, I think it's a street. Where does it take me? Okay, I think yes. Yes, I found the place. have to find a parking now, guys. Yeah, parking now. I'm looking for parking. Alright, let me turn around and come back and look for parking more up. I want to park far away from the barbecue place. So I think that's my friend car. I have to call her.
Afton?
Yeah. Your daddy place?
Yeah, I did.
Cause it's right before I got the tent, right? And people outside with no music.
Afton outside right now. Yeah, right there on the road.
Alright, I'm looking for
There's no
parking.
music in there yet. Play.
Oh, I'm looking for parking.
You might, oh, I think you've got the park here right by the gate. Where can you park? Don't hang up, don't hang up. It's right hand.
Oh, by the green.
Next to the white church, yeah. Put yourself there.
Oh,
Right,
okay.
right.
Alright then. Alright guys, I got my barbecue here. So I'm just gonna lime like a 5 minutes and then I'll leave. Alright guys, so I'm back home. So this is the barbecue here. It has piece barbecue chicken, vegetable rice, and macaroni salad. Aiden just woke up as well, so he's gonna eat as well. Alright guys, so I'm back home from the barbecue. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste a piece of the chicken now. Aiden, this is me piece of chicken, boy. Here it goes. And took the time. Like he just waiting for the barbecue to come home, well. We fighting for the chicken. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this night vlog. Me going to collect this barbecue. I don't know, you can do some dress. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Aiden, tell the subscribers, say please subscribe. All this by paying attention, this is chicken. All I don't want to do is eat chicken. Guys, I'm feeling so tired. Just when I'm driving home, oh my god, a heavy rain busted down. This is why I didn't even vlog for come home, because I had to pay attention to the road and it was a lot of rain. And you guys probably wouldn't even hear me either. Alright guys, so hope you guys like, comment, share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Alright guys, so take care and have a blessed night. Bye guys. Bye. Aiden, you tell me to subscribe. Bye. Come. Say bye. Come on. Tell the subscriber bye. You don't want to? I guess you don't want to, guys. Alright, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.